The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 is not just an SUV, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and engineering excellence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you realize it's not your average family vehicle. The exterior design has evolved to be even more aggressive and elegant. It comes with a bold AMG-specific grille, a reshaped bumper with large air intakes, and sleek LED headlamps that bring a sharp look to the front fascia. The 23-inch alloy wheels, flared wheel arches, quad exhaust pipes, and subtle chrome detailing complete a look that's both muscular and luxurious. The panoramic sunroof and the sleek body lines add a sense of motion even when the car is parked. Step inside the 2025 GLS 63 and you are greeted with an interior that defines modern luxury. The cabin is trimmed in Napa leather, with contrast stitching and AMG badging embedded throughout. Both front and rear passengers enjoy multi-contour seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The dashboard is dominated by a large dual-screen setup integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by MBUX. Voice control is more responsive, and the system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. Ambient lighting with 64 color options adds to the ultra-premium feel inside. The second row captain's chairs are as luxurious as the front seats, and the third row is comfortable enough for adults, making it a true 7-seater. The optional executive rear seat package brings tablets, wireless charging, and climate control zones for rear passengers. Under the hood, the GLS 63 houses a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid EQ boost system. This setup produces an astounding 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, allowing the massive SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.1 seconds. The AMG-tuned 9-speed automatic transmission delivers crisp shifts, and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures grip and stability in all road conditions. Air suspension with active ride control offers exceptional ride comfort while being capable of stiffening up when sporty handling is demanded. Multiple drive modes ranging from Comfort to Sport Plus and an individual setting let the driver truly customize the performance characteristics. In terms of driving dynamics, the GLS 63 doesn't feel like a full-size SUV. Its cornering capability, thanks to active roll stabilization and dynamic engine mounts, is genuinely impressive. Whether on the highway or through winding roads, the vehicle remains composed and confident. Braking is sharp and consistent, and the steering feels responsive despite the vehicle's size. Off-road capability remains decent, although this vehicle is clearly more tuned for the street than trails. Safety and driver assistance features are at the forefront of this model. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, and a surround view camera.